Hey beautiful people, welcome back, and if you're new here, thank you for the view. And not now, but right now, y'all, go ahead and like this video, follow me, subscribe to me, and watch while I explain why I made this banana soap. Check her out.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils in bars. Yeah.
So I did an online grocery shopping with Walmart and ordered some bananas. And look at the bananas, y'all. They busted. Y'all know how it is with fruits and vegetables nowadays. It's a gamble, right? And they taste nasty. So I said, let me make a soap out of it. So I prepared my food grade sodium hydroxide and added it to my hard oils, butters, and oils. So I emulsified all of my soap-based ingredients together. And this video is sponsored by Oils and Bars soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and banana soaps are 6 ounces a bar. Commercial brand soaps are over 2 ounces a bar. Naturally cleanse and brighten your skin today with Oils and Bars banana oat milk soaps.
Stop sleeping and go buy you some oils and bars.
So I added Nature's Miracle for dry and itchy skin, my homemade oat milk. So then it was time to add my puree bananas. Let's talk about the skin benefits of bananas. Bananas help fight against acne and reduce skin inflammation. Bananas are also full of vitamin A to help fight against wrinkles and vitamin C to help brighten our skin. Oils and bars are made with the best ingredients because your skin is beautiful and deserves the best soap. So get naturally clean with Oils and Bars banana oat milk soaps today.